Today we're making these cute little brownie bites with a homemade buttercream frosting. To get started on the brownie bites, we're going to melt half a cup of butter in the microwave. Toss in 1 cup of sugar, add in 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/3 of a cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. We're gonna give this a mix and wonder why it looks so dry. I forgot the butter in the microwave. Mix, mix, mix. Grab your mini muffin tin and spray it with some nonstick cooking spray. This part is totally optional, but I tossed the brownie batter into a piping bag with a macaron-sized piping tip and pipe my batter into each cavity. I did it this way because for me, it's far less messy than spooning it in. If you think this is overkill, it's okay. Do it whatever way you prefer. Fill every cavity a little more than halfway. Into the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. I would be extra safe and check it at 12 minutes. If they're not completely done, you can always pop them back in for a few more minutes. Once they are done, flip your pan over and hopefully they should all pop out. If not, give the edge of your pan a little slam on the counter. That should shake any resistors out. Repeat this process until you run out of batter. For the homemade buttercream, we're going to start off with half a cup of softened butter. We're going to add in a total of 4 cups of powdered sugar and a few drops of green food coloring and 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract depending on how vanilla you want it. I only used 1 teaspoon. Give everything a good mix. Scoop the frosting into a piping bag with any decorative tip, grab a brownie, and start piping from the center out. You don't have to be fancy, just a simple swirl will do. But if you do want to fancy up your frosting, add on a sprinkle of green sanding sugar to the top of each frosted brownie bite. I picked this up from Hobby Lobby, but I'm pretty sure you can find it at Walmart too. Not this specific brand, but the color. This brand is specific only to Hobby Lobby. Give each one a gentle sprinkle. Isn't that so pretty? Now for the final touch. I'm going with these mini robin egg candies. Pick out the best looking eggs and place one in the center of each brownie bite. Now if you can't find these, you can look for peanut M&Ms since those are pretty similar in size and shape and you can find them just about anywhere. I think these are so cute. It's like the Easter Bunny came early and left eggs for everyone. I think these brownie bites would be a great dessert party appetizer. They're very cute and very festive. I will insert an ingredients list right here for those of you that want to make this. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.